Hey guys, it's Carter. Now in today's video, we are diving in and we are looking at Apple stock. Right now the stock is down about 4% and a lot of people have been freaking out saying, Carter, what is going on with this? And is this the fall of Apple? Apple is pretty much the American icon of tech, right? They have the iPhone, the iPad, the Mac, and over the past couple of years, they've historically outperformed the market. If we go ahead and we look at this chart, beautiful growth, beautiful upward trend, all great fundamentals, great earnings, dividends, pretty much everything you could ask for a stock. And then lately, kind of what we've seen, this past year, the stock was trading for about $181 and right now it's $144. So a lot of people freaking out. It hit some lows here at 128 as well. So we're going to be talking about kind of what's going on right now in the short term and answering that main question of should you buy Apple. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of the video, hit the like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. So let's go ahead and first jump and look at the 10-minute chart. So looking at it, you'll notice that this past week, Apple stock has literally gotten obliterated. You'll notice that it was trading for $151 a share. And then in the matter of about 2 days, we see this stock trading for 143. Now, the reason why it fell so much is because a report of the iPhone production could take a big hit from the Foxconn factory in China. Right now, there is China protests among the nation's zero COVID policy, and analysts have been expressing their concerns about manufacturing supply chain ahead of this holiday season. So going into this holiday season, if they're going to have supply chain manufacturing issues, which there already are, people have been freaking out. So is that something to be concerned for the long run? Absolutely not, right? Apple is a trillion, it's a $2 trillion company. This company brings in so much money, right? If we go ahead and we look at their past earnings, the company brought in, $82.9 billion with a B. $82 billion. And anytime you evaluate a company, one of the most important things you have to look at is cash on hand. Cash on hand is one of the most important things inside a business. And Apple has about $48 billion in cash. So pretty much just sitting in the bank, they have $48 billion. Which is so much money. So if they ever go through a hard time or a recession, they can pull from that cash, continue to invest inside the company, pay their employees, all that good stuff as well. And obviously continue to work on manufacturing. Okay. Looking at it on the technical side, right, of should you buy Apple? So like support, resistance. So I drew out some lines for you guys and you'll notice that we have some resistance up here at about $170. It hit it a couple times. We'll kind of establish the 175 mark as the head resistance, because we'll notice here if we go ahead and we zoom it out, it hit it several times. We just get natural tendency to get some sell off. We do have a little bit of some support here at 150, but overall the strongest support we see is right here at 136. So should you buy Apple right now? I always think Apple's a great buy. It's an American company, right? They bring in billions of dollars. They have great profit margin, historically outperforming the market in the past 10 years. So should you buy it? I think it's always smart to have Tesla in your portfolio, whether that's through ETFs, whether it's through just single shares of Apple. But if I was going to load up on heavy shares of Apple, I would try to get it around this 136 price the best I can. In the meantime, what I would do is dollar cost average it, invest on a weekly basis or something like that into Apple. Now, the reason why is because if we continue to get sell-off, dollar cost averaging, what we're going to do is just average down those shares. So once the stock recovers, you make a lot more money. But overall, heavy support here at 136, some resistance at 150. You can make some textbook swing trades on this thing. But some other good ETFs that have Apple are like QQQ, which is a great one. VUG is a great one. There's so many out there. But Apple, for me, absolute no-brainer investment. But this is not going to be, the crash or the fall of Apple that a lot of people have been freaking out about. So, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Remember to stay happy, guys. Stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Have a good week, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Take care.